Deep sub bass pulse starts immediately. No silence. Flash fuzz and luxury keep dancing silent tracks. Rising synths, sweet building tension. Very low female vocal whisper. Feel it, feel the night. Crowd energy effects, distant shouts, air rises. Heavy four on the floor kick. Heavy four on the floor kick. Can't see me that ya. Local as a regulate load. Patching slightly distorted. Hi-hats rolling fast and club ready. Bass becomes a more aggressive. And electro stabbed is bouncing the step. Small melodic tease to keep excitement rising. Zero breakdown, keep dancers moving in. Kick softens for 5 seconds only. Vocal hook echoes with delay. Fix lights as reverse crashes. Crowd chant effects very low in background. Immediate tension build. Quietest bass plus kick combo. Best rhythm festival style. Girls vocal hook now more confident and louder still. Background, move it, move it. Add siren effects and bass growls.